Welcome back, guys, to another YouTube channel. It's your boy here. Today we're gonna be 1v1ing people. As you can see, I'm in this map. I don't know what this is. I just found it. Let's get into the video. See you guys. I'm gonna wait for someone to come here because no one's here right now. So I'm gonna go back to the I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna get a new mic and a new mouse. I already got a ducky. I'm using this map. Go check out this map. I'm gonna put the code in the bottom. The link in the description below. Where you want to play it. It's really good. Trust me. Gives you one ping. Hold on, guys. I'll be back. I'm sorry, guys. I'm back. I was doing something really quick. This is the code in the top. I'm gonna put in the link at the description where you don't see it, guys. I really wanna like, subscribe, and turn those notifications for when I upload a new video, guys. And get to 1,000 likes, or you want me to do a montage. I can do a montage. And yeah, that's it, guys. Like I said, make sure to like, subscribe, and use code Dylan in the item shop. It expires every 40 days. Or you don't use Sword Dylan's code, use someone else. And yeah, goodbye, guys.